Okay.
I don't, yeah, that's fine. No. Oh, no, just keep going. I'll remember. Okay, I'm gonna give you just a couple more minutes before we go over the warm-up together. Okay. So, did anyone notice anything similar about all these equations? Did you notice anything, or? Yes, Jason.
They all had .01 in them.
They had .01 in them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anything else?
Two of the graphs were similar.
Two of the graphs were similar. Okay.
They either get really big or really small.
They get really big or really small. Okay, and what about 2 to the x? Sorry. 2 to the x and 1/2 to the negative x? Was there anything special about those that you noticed?
They kind of look opposite,
They look opposite?
right? No?
So, okay, I thought I'd have a projector, but I don't, so.
They were
This-
exactly the same.
This is how
Oh, yeah.
they graphed them, so we're supposed to have 4 equations, right?
Mhm.
But there's only 3. This is really not how I would want to show it, but. So we can see that y equals 2 to the x is supposed to be blue,
Mhm.
and y equals 1/2 to the negative x is yellow, and, oh man, sorry, hold on. Okay, well we're just gonna can we write these? Can we write this differently with a positive exponent?
You can flip it, make it a positive.
Flip it right, because that's saying 2 to the negative x, and we learned that it's like the same as 2 to the x. So that'll be important after we finish our activity. So I want you to roll the dice. If you roll, just go ahead and roll. So you have an even number. So the next person to roll an even number is going to be on Greg's partner.
I'm with Greg.
Okay.
Sorry, Greg.
You guys may want to switch spots so that. What?
You know, we don't have our.
I know, right? Okay. So we're going to do an activity that models exponential growth and decay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Does anyone have a preference as to, are they familiar with one or the other? I have instructions too, but. Okay, so go ahead and start completing the activity, and if you have any questions on what to do, just ask me, but your instructions for the number 1 are different from your partner's.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So are we supposed to work on it together?
Yeah, just you
Just
can do number
number
1 on your own, and
Okay.
then
Okay.
it'll tell you to compare with your partner.
Okay.
Okay.
So we don't have the 2 unknowns to think of. Another one.
Yep. So you're gonna write 2 there though
Okay.
first.
I'm gonna try 1.
Yep. So then go ahead and roll them now.
Okay. So I've got 2 M's. And I add 1.
For
And
each.
2 for
And
each.
then-
So
yep.
4.
So then you'll physically add them.
Okay.
So I got 5 here. And so I got 3 M's, so now this becomes 8.
Yes.
And so now I put 8 in my cup.
Yes.
Wrap that in. I don't know why I'm shaking them off like that makes a difference.
It's like Yahtzee.
Like a
Yeah.
habit.
Sorry, I had mine. Sorry, I didn't know.
Oh.
Three's an idea.
I have one final
No, thank you.
You'll have enough to not use those if you want to mix it back in there.
Oh, it's fine, there's just some germs. Germs don't kill people.
Really?
No,
No? Okay.
it's just a Sorry.
Man, the yellows are hard to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Yellows are sharp.
Oh, yeah. I use those.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna be double checking the yellow.
Oh.
There you go.
My M's are multiplying, I think.
you're what?
My M's are multiplying.
I like this. I'm getting very sad.
I had to get 59, didn't I?
I have 70.
Really?
Yeah.
I used a measuring cup.
I have 71. And too many yellows.
Oh man, there's one on the floor. I'm pretty sure that's mine.
It would have been an M all these times anyway.
I
That's fine, it
know.
doesn't have to be correct.
Well, I'm gonna do it.
So wait for my slow partner before I do number 2.
No, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, let's
It's
go.
not slow.
Hey! You know, I'm gonna be out of this game real soon.
More than one way.
Yes.
I'm gifted, I get frustrated by yellows.
Okay, I'm done now. Are you happy? Okay, you should talk to me.
Are you rolling them all out each time?
Am I missing that?
You're not supposed to. The number.
Oh, yep.
Sorry.
Hello.
Sorry, I just noticed that. I was
Okay.
like, man, he's counting a lot.
Yes, I am.
Ah,
Let me go back to that. Thank you.
Yeah. You're, let me see.
I mean, technically, you could start from trial.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
you
gonna go
can.
back to trouble on there and go forward. Oops.
Actually, even you could probably start at 3 and be okay. Just redo 4.
Go back. Need to get these 40.
I thought I was struggling.
Yeah, she told me to be the challenged student.
Oh, that word.
Okay, so 44.
Oh, did Jason? You're freaking.
Yeah, it's been a while since these ones.
There's instructions.
Well, that one's
Ah.
really hard. It took me a while to.
Is that yours?
Apps.
It's my brother's.
6,
You needed,
apps,
ideally, you'd each have your own.
I would have brought one.
I have an app on my
Ah,
phone.
beautiful.
And if once you get your equation, then you can. Or I actually have an app on the iPad. It's not as accurate, but or a website. And instead of like L1, L2, it's X.
X, I?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's why it survived. It doesn't have an M.
I mean, that's pretty nice. Would you like one or less if it was 0?
No.
Okay.
I want my phone, so-
Oh, okay.
So is that one that's on top of this to the outside? Okay.
Yeah, that's not.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, and it graphs it.
Oh,
This takes a while. I mean, if you were all working on it at the same time, then yeah.
It's been so long since I've used it.
They're all or something. You guys.
oh, I can draw 3 times.
There we go. There we go. Okay.
That makes sense. Okay.
No, well, we will.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we have to physically graph it on here?
You can, and then you'll have it as a reference point, or if you just remember
Okay.
what your graph looked like.
Okay. You actually told us to graph at number 3.